got fucked up over your guy. Piece of shit. We got to do some roll my start. Sorry, fuck this nigga. Show me a little something. I'm just doing some dumb shit there. Yeah. How about get all y'all on it? Closers? Hold on. God. Shit. We can pull it up. I swear to God, we're mad as shit. Y'all don't want to be on tape. Show me a little something. Show us a little something.
I can't hear you.
Show us a little something.
What did you do?
Pull it up. She stole him. She stole him. He heard no. So fucking small. Oh, little beast beater. He's trying to beat the camera.